So it was, you can say, 6.5 annually. Then I am somewhere 13, 14, and of course, just double of that.
Yeah, all this you
Into
have gained
very
with
good.
the help of the knowledge that you have gained from our course, right?
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, I had the knowledge of, you can say, the subject, but the presentations part that improved much, way better.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
At times, I'm not just one person. This is what I can say. I'm like multiple being at the same time. That's one thing I think I can say. It's that. Plus, I have changed like in yeah, motherhood is also changing me. So I give time to. I can 100% 24/7. I'm a mother also, and 24/7 I'm a career-oriented professional also. That's the biggest thing that I think I have achieved through this.
Nishka Sharma, welcome. It's such a pleasure to have you here today. Before we begin, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling very good. How are you? It's a good day, and I hope we will connect nicely and see what has been my journey, and I can tell that entire journey to you.
Great. Today we want to go beyond just the outcomes. We want to explore your full journey, like where you started, what pushed you, how you learned, what you applied, and ultimately how you transformed. So let's rewind the clock a little.
Sure.
Kanishka, can you please introduce about yourself?
Yeah. So I am an architect, and I have been a professional for past you can say 8 to 10 years, and very recently I like last year I became a mother, and suddenly after when you become a mother, your career takes a back step, and it is well it's usual that I was started to feeling that postpartum that my career is not in line with the idea that I was planning. And since I have been in a journey for 8 years now, but I was feeling like I'm just starting. It was again a new thing to me. And since a lot of things we do is visualize, like we have to present to client to make them understand the technicalities. So a visualization is very important task. So I was starting to feel that my skills are slightly lacking. I need to improve them, but how to do them? I was not very unsure of that. Plus, I was doing a job I was not very comfortable with. So it was not a thing that I wanted to be doing, but I was stuck there for past 2 3 years, and I wanted to like grow, but there was a step back. It was challenge as a motherhood also. It was a very challenging phase for me. So after I think in June, July, after 1 year of my postpartum journey, I decided that I should start upskilling myself. And that's when I got Be10x link and all the videos which were around, and I was going through them, and I was seeing a lot of journeys of people, and I thought that it might be the right time for me to also explore these tools and upskill myself.
Oh, that's so nice to hear, firstly. And can you tell us how did you hear about this masterclass? Was it through someone, an ad, or a community?
Not from anyone from the community. I saw an Instagram ad, and then I eventually landed the website, and I scrolled the YouTube videos and all the testimonials. I went through them, and I think I just got the confidence from there too, like that I should start doing this.
Great. So once you have joined, what was your first impression of the learning environment and structure?
It is very comprehensive, I must say, because I also teach. I also teach to people who are on varied backgrounds and teach them some things to visualize, some things to research. But this was like a very comprehensive community. I know it's not a two-way in a lot of sense when the trainings are there, the Saturday, Sunday trainings are there, but otherwise still very comprehensive. There are gestures, there are questions that you can put, and you get very quick answers. So that convey of message without, you can say, without being in the physical class, you can feel that connect.
Great. So were you able to consistently attend the live classes?
I have attended a lot of classes, I can say, but I know I have very little child to take care, so I cannot attend live classes much after even like I come from office. Then if I take the entire class, it's difficult for me. But usually I take late in the evening after 11. I am usually free, so I take 2 3 hours there, and I just upskill myself. So that's the thing that I usually follow. So
Great.
it's nice for me.
Yeah. So, what were the first real actions or decisions you took based on what you've learned?
I think started with research work, very effective research work with all the, you can say, all the tools, technologies which were conveyed in the sessions. Like you use this app for research, notebook LM for this thing, this part for this thing. I think that's, and plus there are options. You need not to go one way to other. You can try multiple routes. So that's nice. And multiple routes give me multiple results. So that's a good thing, and I can show client varied result. If you want to go to this direction, this is possible. If you want to go to this direction, this is possible. So I use multiple tools.
Yeah. So, let's celebrate. What was the achievement or milestone you finally reached?
After, I think, from August onwards, till August, I was stuck somewhere very different. Something which I did not wanted to do. I was stuck there for past 2 3 years. But after that, in terms of milestone, you can say I changed the job, I changed the position. So that was resultant there.
Okay. So, can you quantify the results for us?
So it was, you can say, 6.5 annually. Then I am somewhere 13, 14 annually. Just double of that.
Yeah, all this
In
you gained with the help of the knowledge that you have gained from our course, right?
Yeah, exactly. So yeah, I had the knowledge of, you can say, the subject, but the presentations part that improved much, way better.
Oh. Okay. So, looking back now, how you have changed as a person through this journey you have had?
Changed as a person, you can say, at times I'm not just one person. This is what I can say. I'm like multiple being at the same time. That's one thing I think I can say. It's that. Plus, I have changed, like, motherhood is also changing me. So I give time to. I can 100% 24/7. I'm a mother also, and 24/7 I'm a career-oriented professional also. That's the biggest thing that I think I have achieved through this.
Perfect. So, what would you say to someone who's on the fence about joining this masterclass?
Join with an open mind to learn, and just dedicate your time towards learning. Everything will align accordingly, I think.
That's so perfect answer. Kanishka, thank you so much once again. We are so proud to have been part of your journey, and we know your story will motivate others to take that leap too.